In previous video, we discussed about process. Then we check out how we can view these processes in Linux. Now, how to manage these processes, such as how to start, how to stop, monitor and control of these processes. So for that, we can use kill command, we can use kill -9, we can use kill all, we can use pkill, and how to give priority to a process. And if the process is already running, how to change the priority of the process, and how to send an application to the background, and how to find out the process ID of the application, and how to send the application to the background, and how to bring background process to the foreground, and how to check the background jobs. And we have a shortcut as well. And obviously we can check this by graphically as well. So let's go to our Kali Linux and verify and manage these processes. So we have a top command to see all the processes in real time. If I want to close any of these and want to terminate any of these processes, so I can use kill all, kill -9, pkill. All these commands can be used. Let me quit. By the way, all these things can be done graphically from here. If I click here, so these are the process. Suppose if I want to Firefox to kill them, right click to stop them, to terminate them, to kill, and click yes, and it will close the Firefox. However, you need to do this through CLI. So let me open a Firefox. I open a Firefox. I want to close this Firefox. Okay. Let's see first a top command, and the Firefox is running. Okay. So the Firefox is on the top and it's running. Okay. I need the ID to close them is here. Now how I can find out the ID, because it's changing everything, even though it's mentioned here, this one. However, there is a way. Let me quit this one, and that command is a PID of, okay, and after that name of the application to find out the process ID and hit enter. These are all the processes under this Firefox. Okay, these are. And if you compare them, let's go to Firefox. Here is here, and you can see 97 the last one, and these are other processes which running under the Firefox. So now it's easy to close them. Just type kill and the process ID. So this is the process ID I want to close, and paste and hit enter, and look at now the Firefox has been closed. Okay, it's automatically closed. If I open again, so now it's running, yeah, here. And let me check out. By the way, it's running, already running. I don't know how to show you both on the same time. And if I go back, okay, here, and let me find out. So these are, and it's running. Okay, if I want to kill them, so what I can do, I just need to type the kill, and then this time the process ID has been changed. So I need to type the ID and paste here, and the application is running. It's already in running. And if I hit enter, so now the process is closed and the Firefox has been closed. This is one way. If you want to forcefully close, okay, if you want to forcefully close, let me open the Firefox again. Okay, and let me find out the ID of Firefox. So these are, you can use a kill -9 as well, -9. Okay, and then the process ID. So in this case, this is the process ID, and paste. So all this is the application which is running, and if I hit enter, now it's closed. So forcefully. However, the first method is okay. In case there is something wrong, so then you can forcefully terminate a process by kill -9 as well. Now coming to we need to find out the process ID, then we can kill the process. Is there any way to terminate the process by name? Yes. We have kill all. And here we need to give them just the name. We don't need the process ID. And the name is Firefox. Okay. Kill all and Firefox fire. Okay. Just let me go to sudo su. It will be better. Okay. And hit enter. And here let me say kill all and name Firefox and hit enter. Now it's closed. Let me open again. Okay, and let me go back and kill all, and now look at now it's closed. So rather than to find out the process ID and close and kill the application, you can do it by name as well, kill all. Also there is alternative. Let me go back. Okay, open the Firefox again, and that is pkill. Again pkill, and just type the name of the application you want to close and hit enter, and now it's closed. Look at now there is in the background. Okay, it's already, so yeah, it's there. Yeah, in the background you can see this one. And let me say pkill and hit enter. Now it's closed. This is another way. Now coming to nice and re-nice. Nice and re-nice. What is nice and re-nice? Basically, nice means to set the priority for a process when it's starting. Give them a priority, because everybody get same priority every application. These are ni means the nice. So everybody gets 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Most of the application gets same priority. Here the priority is also mentioned 20. Priority means which application means more RAM and more CPU will be given, like a VIP protocol. So somebody get more protocol, they have more resources, more everything. So similarly, we have a nice and re-nice value. However, nice we use when you start an application with a priority, and re-nice when the application is already running and you give them more priority. Or less priority is up to you. You want to increase and decrease the priority. Which protocol you want to give them this application, more memory, more CPU, more virtual memory to give them, so they will run first, like a VIP. So let me quit. Okay, now the Firefox, let me start a Firefox. This is a simple example, that's why I'm giving you a Firefox all the time. Let's see Firefox what they get. Top command, and let me see nice. So the top command has 0. Okay, and what is Firefox? Firefox is also get, this is the Firefox. Firefox also get 0, and top command also get the nice value 0, and priority is 20. So it's same, both have a 0. Now what to do? Let me close this Firefox, and I want to start them with more priority. So I can type nice. Okay, either the top command right now is 0. Yeah, let me give them to this one. So I say nice minus n. I want to give them minus 10 priority, nice value to top command when it's run next time, and hit enter. Okay, look at now. The nice value is, let me make them control n. So it's here. You can see now it's minus 10. Because if I quit, I run this application with the high value. Let me make them suppose 15. And look at now. It's minus 15 now, and priority is 5. It's changed because the nice value changed, so the priority will be changed, as I say. But this is the way when you start a new application with a new priority, with a new nice value. Let me quit. What about if the application is already running? Suppose if I open a Firefox, okay, this application is already running. Let's see the priority of this one. So let's see top. Okay, and let's go to Firefox. Let's find out the Firefox. So Firefox is right now, the nice value is 0, already running, and the priority is 20. First, I need the what is called the PID, so that I can change the nice value for this one. So I can find out from here By the way, Firefox is this one. This is the priority process ID. I can copy from here. Either I show you the method which is PID of, and then type the application, and this is the process ID. So now I have a process ID. The application is already running. I want to give them more. So I need to type renice, and here I need to type, let me paste. This was 23118523, and this is the application and the process ID which already running. I want to give them more priority 5 and hit enter. So they say the old priority was 0. Now the new priority is 5, and this is the process. Let's check out again, and let me go back to the top command, and let me make them here. Okay, and let's look for the what is called Firefox, and here is, you see, is 5 now, and 20 has changed to 25. Let me change them to something else. I want to give them -5 and hit enter. So now it's changed, and let's go to top command again, and here you will find them -5 Firefox, and the priority is now 15. So this is the way. If the application is already running, then use renice, and if you want to run application with a new priority, use nice. Otherwise it will give them the default priority and nice value. Now coming to another thing related to process management is jobs. Right now there is no jobs. Jobs will show you list of all background jobs. How we can send a job to the background? Easily, there are two ways. Suppose Firefox, and I say, okay, now I need to make them as a normal user. Okay, so Firefox and ampersand, so it will send to the what is called to the background. It's not showing. So what I can do it by another way. I can type just sleep, suppose, and hit enter. And now if I type jobs, so there is sleep running, and also let me do it another sleep, suppose 400. And now if I go to jobs, and let me make them another way is to send them by ampersand. Suppose I want to start this application, Control Z. I suspend the application, Control Z is the shortcut to pause the process. Again, if I check, so there will be 3 jobs now. This is the application which I start in Control Z to send them to the background, and these 2 I send them by the ampersand. Now 3 jobs are running in the background. If you want to bring them to the foreground, so you need to type FG, and after that the ampersand and number of the job. The first one, sleep 500. So I type 1 and hit enter. Now it's come back. Again it take my prompt. I need to wait for sleep 500, then the prompt will be available because it is in the foreground, and foreground it means you will see each and everything which we discussed theoretically. So Control Z, let me bring them back. Let's bring the third one, the birth suit. So for that I need to type 3 and it will open. Look at now it open again, because it will take input from the user and it will display as we discussed the foreground and background. Let me Control Z, and I can suspend them as well. Okay, and let's clear, and let's see jobs. So now right now we have 2 jobs running, again the sleep one, the third one I close them. So this is the way. Also you can use BG to send them. It's already in the background, but this is the way, BG to send them to the background, and also 2 to send them to the background. Let's say job is already in the background, but you can send them to the background, and FG to bring them to the foreground. Now it started again, and you can bring them back. Okay, or Control Z as well. This is also. And obviously the same thing is available as I show you here. You can do it, right click to stop, terminate, kill, and give the priority as well. So this was all about how we can manage the processes in Linux.